Hello viewers, this is Mai and welcome back to my another new classes. In this classes, I will discuss with you about some GK important questions and answer. Let's start the classes. First question is, who was the captain of Indian national football team in the 1948 London Olympics? Here four options and the correct option is D. Ali Saran Narzari. And the next question is, whose birthday is celebrated as Abhirusi Sports Day in Assam? Here four options and the right option is Bhageshwar Burwa. And the next question is, who was the first Olympian of Assam? Here four options and the correct option is A. Abhijit Bhattacharya. And the next question is, who became the speaker of the Indian national volleyball team? Here four options and the correct option is A. Abhijit Bhattacharya. And the next question is, who is known as collegiate tennis player? Here four options and the correct option is A. Next question, who is the youngest cricketer to score a 50 in the history of the Indian Premier League? Here four options and the correct option is B number, Rian Parak. And the next question is, which boxer from Assam participated in the London Olympics 2012? Here four options and the correct option is C, Shiva Thapa. Next question is, who is nicknamed as Thing Express? Here four options and the correct option is D number 2, Hima Das. Next question is, the Asian Games of 1966 was held in which city? Here four options and the correct option is D, Bangkok. The next question is, what weight category boxing does Lavlina Borgohain represent? Here four options and the correct option is D, 69 kg. Thanks for watching and gets more update. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.